Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, I'm going to compare Shopify and Digital Showroom in a simple and easy way so that you can understand which platform is better for your business. Now, these two tools may seem similar, but they're built for different types of sellers. So, by the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for the 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let's start with a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is a full e-commerce platform that allows you to build a complete online store from scratch. It gives you tools to add products, take payments, track orders, manage shipping, run promotions, and design your store exactly how you want. Digital Showroom works differently. Instead of building a full storefront like Shopify, it helps you create a clean and simple catalog where you can display your products and share them with customers through a link or mobile app. This makes Digital Showroom popular among small sellers, wholesalers, and businesses that want to show their products without running a full online store. Let's move on to features. Shopify gives you everything that you expect from a modern e-commerce system. You can create product listings, offer discount codes, use abandoned cart recovery, track your stock, connect with shipping carriers, and use thousands of apps to expand your store. It also offers strong marketing tools that help you reach customers on social media, email, and search engines. Digital Showroom focuses more on product presentation instead of advanced e-commerce. You can upload your products, organize them into categories, add images and details, share your catalog with customers, collect inquiries, and help buyers see your entire collection easily. Digital Showroom is simple but very useful for sellers who want a clean product catalog experience. Speaking of experience, let's talk about the user experience. Shopify is easy to use, but since it has so many features, beginners may need a little time to learn the system. Once you understand the dashboard, everything feels smooth and organized. And Digital Showroom is even simpler. You can upload products quickly, adjust your catalog, and share it instantly. It's designed for people who want zero complexity and just want to show their products to customers without managing a full store. Let's talk about customization. Shopify gives you access to a large library of themes, and you can change layouts, colors, fonts, and sections however you like. If you want a unique store, Shopify gives you the freedom to build it. Digital Showroom is more limited, but much easier. You don't customize layouts deeply. Instead, it keeps everything clean and consistent so that your products look great without any extra work. Finally, let's discuss integrations. Shopify connects with thousands of apps for marketing, shipping, payments, automation, and so much more. It's built to scale and grow with your business. Digital Showroom focuses less on integrations and more on simplicity. It's great for sellers who don't need advanced tools. So which one do you choose? If you want a full online store with checkout, payments, shipping tools, and marketing features, Shopify is definitely the better choice. But if you want a fast and simple digital catalog to showcase products and send to customers, well, Digital Showroom is a great option. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check that link below. You get the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped at all, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.